Alright everyone, in this class we are going to learn about Buchstaben, which means alphabets in German. So I am going to show you how we can pronunciate the alphabets of German. So here we have Buchstaben, which means alphabets. So you can repeat after me for the pronunciation. Alright, so I am going to pronunciate each and every character and you can repeat and learn how we can pronunciate them. A, A, B, B, C, say, D, A, F, G, H, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, T, U, V, V, X, epsilon, Z. I will repeat it once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, V, X, epsilon, Z. So here we also have 4 more characters which are the umlauts. So we have 4 umlauts here and I will tell you how we can pronunciate them, and here are some example of the umlauts. Alright, so this is the umlaut which is pronounced as A. So we can call Äpfel, Äpfel. And then we have umlaut Hören, which is called Hören, Hören, Oren. Alright. Then we have U umlaut, which is Übung. This is U umlaut is pronounced as U. And then this character is pronounced as double S. Okay, wherever you see this written, this means double S. So this will be pronounced as double S. So we're going to pronounce this as Strassen. Okay, Strassen. I hope this was clear and you can learn how to pronounce the alphabets in German.